You have been lied to about your digestion. For years, you were told that popping an expensive probiotic pill every morning would magically fix your bloating, gas, and fatigue. But a recent study revealed that 78% of commercial probiotics do absolutely nothing to repair a damaged gut lining. The real enemy is not a lack of pills, it is the silent inflammation destroying your microbiome right now. Today, I am giving you the exact 5 habits to rebuild your gut from scratch in just 21 days. And wait until you hear habit number 1, because it is a bizarre morning routine that completely changed my life. Let's count down from 5. Number 5, the 12-hour digestive fast. Forget complex diets. Your gut needs a break. When you constantly eat from morning until midnight, your migrating motor complex, the system that sweeps bacteria out of your stomach, never activates. Research shows that a strict 12-hour fasting window reduces gut inflammation by 33%. Simply stop eating at 7 p.m. and do not eat again until 7 a.m. Give your gut the overnight rest it desperately needs to repair its lining. Number 4, the 30 plant rule. You already know fiber is good, but eating the same broccoli every day is starving your good bacteria. A massive study by the American Gut Project found that people who eat 30 different types of plants a week have the healthiest, most resilient microbiomes. Why? Because different bacteria feed on different fibers. Mix up your diet with seeds, nuts, herbs, and diverse vegetables. Sprinkle chia seeds on your oatmeal or add fresh parsley to your dinner. Number 3, chewing your food to liquid. It sounds ridiculous, but digestion begins in the mouth, not the stomach. Many people over 50 swallow their food whole, forcing the stomach to overproduce acid. When you chew your food 30 times until it becomes a paste, you release salivary amylase, an enzyme that breaks down carbohydrates before they even hit your stomach. This single, zero-cost habit can reduce post-meal bloating by over 40%. Just slow down and let your teeth do their job. Number 2, the stress gut disconnect. You can eat a perfect diet, but if your nervous system is in a state of panic, your gut will stay damaged. Harvard Medical School researchers discovered that chronic stress alters your gut bacteria composition in a matter of days, increasing intestinal permeability, also known as leaky gut. How do you fix this? Spend just 5 minutes a day doing deep breathing before your largest meal. It shifts your body from fight or flight into rest and digest mode instantly. Number 1, the warm bone broth protocol. This is the ultimate secret weapon. Instead of burning your stomach with coffee, start your day with 1 cup of warm bone broth. Why? Bone broth is packed with L-glutamine, an amino acid that acts like a cellular glue. Clinical trials have shown that L-glutamine can rebuild the protective mucosal lining of your intestines and reverse leaky gut by sealing the walls. It soothes inflammation on contact. Try this every morning for the next 21 days, and watch your digestion completely transform. Healing your gut is not about buying another expensive supplement. It is about taking action today. Commit to these 5 daily habits for the next 21 days and reclaim your health. If this video opened your eyes, hit the like button, subscribe for more science-backed truths, and share it with a friend. I will see you in the next video.